Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can add user roles for your Discord server on mobile. So it's pretty simple. For this, what you want to do is first go to your Discord server. After you go to your Discord server, you need to make sure you're on this section, like this general chat section. From over here at the top, you can see the three dots. Click on it. From here, you want to click on the setting icon at the top right. And from here, you want to scroll a bit down and click on where it says roles. Once you click on role, you want to choose the person to whom you want to assign a role. Let's say I want to assign role to Camelot. Once I click on him, at the top, I can enter the name of the role. So let's say I want to name him Good Gamer. So this is going to be his role name. Once I do that, I can click on permission. Now over here, I can choose what kind of permission I want to give him to. Maybe I can give him as a manage server permission or manage webhook permission. You can give him any permission you want from over here. After you give him the permission you want, you can click on save at the top right, and the permission will be given to him and he will be acting as a server role, whichever you gave him. Okay, so that is basically how you guys can add a user role on your server on your Discord. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys in my next video.